Hey, this week I want to talk to all of my homeowners out there and what you need to be doing with these, your receipts. So look, most of us are going to own our home for 7 to 12 years, perhaps more. And over the course of time living in our house, we're going to come up with some repairs that need to be made, electrical, plumbing, roof, those types of things. And you might also do work to your house voluntarily in the form of remodel and upgrades. Make sure that when you're doing that work, you are using licensed, qualified, and insured contractors, and make sure that you're getting receipts and you are a saver of those receipts. There's a couple of reasons why you want to be a saver. One, for tax purposes, those might come in handy. Two, if you need to go back and address the issue or find that contractor who did the work, you'll be able to do that because you have the receipts. And three, almost most important, is when you go to sell your home and you need to give the history of your home, which is called disclosures. If there are issues that you've had to take care of, most likely your buyer is going to want to see paperwork for those repairs and or improvements, and having it ready makes you a very powerful and confident seller. So you can do that two ways. You can do it digitally by scanning in your receipts to things like Evernote or OneNote or Dropbox, in which case you can digitally search just by putting in some keywords to find that receipt. Or you can go ahead and do it the old-fashioned way and simply have a set-aside secure box or file where you can always go to them. Just keep in mind, where did you put that file? So it's easy to go back and look when you need those items. So that's my hot tip for you this week. Please be a saver when you are a homeowner. And of course, I'd love to get a cup of coffee and talk about it and answer any questions you might have about home ownership or home selling. Of course, I'm always here for any questions. Thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you next time. Take care.